Hey guys, it's Sean here from the artist from Sean.co. I do specials on eBay and reviews and others such on my YouTube channel. Anyway, today I'm going to do a painting demonstration in acrylic, so let's see what I have in mind. Let's get going. Let's see what I'm doing. Alright, wish me luck. Give me a thumbs up if you like this, and I'll see you soon in the studio. Alright guys, we're going to paint a city of London. And let me know if you know the mascot for London. I'll tell you about that and the history behind it. Alright, wish me luck. So the secret mosque out of London is dragons. So along the border of different parts of London, I think mostly on the bridges, but they'll have like little, not little, but let's see if I can zoom in here. Maybe that's like a 6-foot dragon or something. So they'll have those all over the belt, kind of marking the boundaries of London. I looked it up. I don't know why they did that. It came in about 1849, so a little bit obviously after Christianity kind of fell by the wayside as far as a strong, domineering, you know, burn the witches kind of thing. So it just kind of, I think a little bit tongue-in-cheek when the dragons, but if someone knows, let me know. I'd be interested. If you know why there's dragons in London, is it due to Harry Potter or what? All right, thanks guys. All right, we just finished, so let's take a zoom in there, huh? So you can see the kind of the lamppost. I'm pretty happy with that. Clock colors are pretty good. Snow is really hard to do. I got this real funky kind of pink. I have a pink cotton candy snow. Not exactly like that. It does have a light tint like that, maybe a little lighter, but I definitely think it needs that contrast to the overwhelming blues and browns. You need a little bit of red. The yellow has a nice pop too, but that kind of cotton candy color really accentuates kind of the sunset that just happened. It's obviously behind us, I think. So we'll see how it goes. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe below. That'd be awesome. Share with your friends. And let me know if you've been to London before. I've been to London before, but not in the winter. So let me know. Thanks, guys.